my entry for the Ringside Collectibles, Ringside of Riot collection fan video. So just gonna go down here, Bret Hart's. I'm only gonna say the middle because you can barely see some of them because they're shorter figures. Natalia's my only diva. I don't really like collecting those. Custom Daniel Bryan. Alright, there's 6 CM Punks there with the Justin Gabriel, Miz. 2 customs, Rock, Edge of Christian, Wade Barrett, Yoshitatsu, Ezekiel Jackson, Eddie Guerrero, not Yoshitatsu, I keep doing that. Kofi Kingston, Kevin Nash, Shawn Michaels, Stone Cold, 3 Christians, Mark Henry, Yokozuna, 2 Sin Caras with the Custom Unico, Ryback. Ryback is my favorite figure. Triple H, Mankind, here are my Marvels. So, yeah, thanks guys, hope I win.